All right, today at MarineMax, we're with the 250 Harris Solstice. This is a 25-foot unit. We'll start back here with the Power 250 Mercury V8 Verado. The Solstice also gets you the fiberglass couch space in the rear. This is a flip and fold lounger, so it flips either direction, as well as has an internal cooler and storage down below. This particular unit has twin captain's chairs, a nice combination of analog gauges and the Simrad, as well as the all JL audio. This one is also equipped with the lighting package, so it gets you LED exterior lighting and interior lighting. DTS throttle for the 250 V8. Internal storage in the tune here, down below. Put your cover or pool noodles, whatever you want in there. JL audio subwoofer and armrest on either side. This one's finished in metallic, flat metallic silver on the outside with a black rail and a blue stripe. It also includes twin tops, twin bimini tops on this model.